It's a ripe time for mining industry to adopt uh, digitalization in their endeavors. Adoption of advanced technologies do play an important role in mining industry for performance enhancement and increasing its productivity. Uh, Emergence of a key macro trend, that is digital, is impacting global mines, and CXS of top global mines do believe that digital implementation will impact their business positively. Few of the digital mining solutions are matured and proven, and there are many which is maturing fast and have high potential to improve business performance. Coal India Limited has considered digitization through emerging technologies like you told, AI, ML, blockchain, as key enabler to implement its vision of reaching 1 billion ton coal production by year 2024, supported by safe and sustainable mining landscape, as well as achieve government's vision to build Atmanirbhar Bharat. It is very clear that new macro trend indicates that the industry is focusing more on digital adoption. Remote operation center, autonomous operation, and adoption of cloud are some of the key enablers. Digital connectivity and sensors help in pursuing operational excellence and helps in improving productivity, efficiency, better management of risk through integration of automation, IoT solutions, AI, cloud, and advanced analytics. We have implemented SAP an year ago. It's fully functional, and the biggest challenge that Coal India is having is its vast geographical expanse. We are spread into 8 states and having 8 subsidiaries, and we are having more than 300 mines. So adoption of digitalization do poses challenge for coal industry in particular and mining industry in general. Development of upstream and downstream connected ecosystems will further aid in attaining growth and automation, bringing satisfaction to the stakeholders. Now we do have a digital nervous system in the form of ERP. So we have to connect downstream, that is machine data is to be connected seamlessly, and we have to integrate it upstream as well for various agencies to see our data seamlessly, and like government, industry, other stakeholders. So we are in the process of building this ecosystem, downstream and upstream seamless integration. Digital operation, in turn, when we get fully digitized, it will help us to be a key differentiator, and it will help in realizing our competitive advantage. With growing demand for coal and energy, adoption of IT needs to be lean, agile, insight-powered, automated, safe, and sustainable. All the above can be achieved by one common theme, which is digital, a key enabler. Digital is deploying automation, digitization, and artificial intelligence for fully automated operations, leading to real-time and proactive scheduling, tracking, monitoring, and data analytics. It's true that mining industry generates a massive amount of data. There are various machines and sensor data that is huge, humongous amount of data is generated. Data is everywhere in a mine. A lot of data is generated, but either it is not collected, stored, or analyzed. Now, to get insights out of the data, it must be extracted from the end devices and transferred to the database on which analytics needs to run to gather insights. Now, traditionally, although mining industry has been on premises, but managing such massive data on premises is not easy. With evolved data security mechanism, cloud is emerging as a great mechanism which Miners can explore to store some of the data, which will ensure accessibility, accuracy, as well as safety of the data. And Coal India has deployed a cloud system for this. Additionally, edge analytics. Using edge device is also a great option to get insight out of IoT and machine data. Next gen analytics in terms of use of big data, machine learning, Internet of Things, and data visualizations to gain real-time insights and predicting outcomes can use cloud in addition to edge analytics. Since huge amount of data is being generated, so edge analytics is preferable. We are uh, digitalizing 7 of our top mines, which account for more than 30% of the coal production, and we are going live on 1st of April this year using the same technology. So this will be our, you can say, the first big exercise of digital experience. So edge analytics can be helpful to analyze data to draw insight and improve business performance. We have faced it while implementing SAP as well. We were having silo of databases. We were having 8 subsidiaries. Each subsidiaries were having its own system. The applications were maintained in silos. Master data, transactions data, and in terms of a structure also, they were different. So we had to do a lot of exercise for busting the silos, and maintaining a common database, deduplication of the data, data cleansing. So now our data is centrally placed and it is having a single source of truth. But to handle data silos and inefficiencies within multiple interconnected IT systems, mining companies needs to understand that it is a multi-stage and ongoing process. There are few solutions which help companies manage issues with data as detailed. Enterprise architecture. The enterprise architecture, including data architecture, should be defined, documented, and followed across an organization. For example, the basic masters that we are having for equipment master or employee master, whenever we are getting data from the sensors, from which equipment the data is being populated, it must be mapped to the parent referential key so that data can be properly analyzed. Data management, there are multiple tools and data platforms in the market as well. MDM tool is one which manages different types of data like transaction data, master data, etc., and ensure that there is a single source of truth across the organization. And data governance is an ongoing process, but a proper governance mechanism and team needs to ensure that ensure the data. The most challenging aspect of data governance is disintegration among multiple systems being accessed by different stakeholders and editing also in turn. So this should be properly governed. For this, teams should be there where data is being maintained. This integration across system processes and data warehousing can lead to data corruption. However, standardization and technology can be the friend that lights the way towards successful data governance. Few technologies that can help are like automated quality checks, modern data architecture, use of AI to ensure data governance. So as I told earlier that our industry revolves around the digital nervous system that we have created in the form of ERP implementation. So record management, process management, and data related to the processes are in place. But to have the edge, to be competitive, we have to embrace automation, AI, ML based tools. We have to have integrated command and control center. So this can be achieved over a period of time. It can be something can be achieved in terms of immediate goal, which can be implemented within 1 years of time frame, and some of the things can be short term, that is to be implemented within 1 to 3 years of time frame. Medium term, we can have our goal which can be implemented within 3 to 5 years of time frame, and long term to be implemented within 5 to 10 years of the time frame. Though it is still early days, but we can have next gen analytics like ad hoc analytics, for example, dashboards, drill downs highlighting key operational KPIs, and ad hoc production reporting. And we can, for our next life cycle, that is short term, we can have diagnostic analytics as well, which can forecast and be in exploratory in nature. Medium term we can employ predictive analytics. So one of our subsidiaries called CMPDI is already doing things, and we are exchanging data from ERP as well, and they are into it. And strategic intent can be for 5 to 10 years, like prescriptive analytics, and optimizations can be achieved through next gen analytics. Second is employment of intelligent platforms. Here in the short term cycle, we can have digital operations like mine planning and scheduling, fleet management system, which is very important to the mining industry. And previously, we had a system called OITDS, Operator Independent Truck Dispatch System. And now the 7 mines, the mega mines that I told, is also employing all these technologies. Then in the short term cycle, we can have connected mine, having workforce tracking, video surveillance, site mobility, IT OT integration. And prescriptive operations can be like remote operation centers. Ideally, we would like to have virtual and augmented reality that will also be implemented. Robotics and automations can also be employed, where drones can be used, ad hoc basic automations can be done, and rule-based simple processes can be digitized. Similarly, intelligent invoice processings can be done. But all these exercise requires huge challenge in terms of infrastructure, in terms of mobilization, in terms of implementation. But we are steadily and surely doing the digitalization activities bit by bit, and we hope to reach greater heights in times to come.